guys, it's R4UL TV team R4UL. We're back again, and what we're doing is we're doing a car review today on an Audi A7. It's a 3-litre Quattro 2018 plate. It's here. Let's see what's all the fuss about. Say guys, the dashboard layout and everything, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Check it out. Really nice place to sit in the front. Plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom. The brushed silver, the S-line, this is the S-line version. The brushed silver looks really nice. As for the functions on this car, you've got your normal iDrive system. You pretty much get on all Audis. You got your media, you've got your menu. When you go on the menu, you can see all your car functions, radio, navigation, everything's there. Then you've got on the comfort section, you go to the car, press car, you can choose quite a few. We've got efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, individual, set it to what you prefer. I can't fault it. This car is absolutely, it's a beast. It's a beast. Right, as for the leg room in the front, everything absolutely fantastic. Headroom, fantastic. I'm in the back of the car now, and as you can see, the headroom in the back is because it's a sloping back on this. Is a sport back, the sloping back. I thought there'll be no headroom in the back, but plenty of headroom in the back. I mean, if you're about 7 foot or 6'5" kind of thing, you might struggle a little bit, but you know, for those mere mortals, plenty of headroom in the back. You'll seat 5 easy. Absolutely fantastic leg room. Look, I'm sitting in the back. That's in my driving position, and plenty of leg room in the back. There's more leg room on that side. Brilliant. Looks nice as well. Nice leather seats. You need to go for the S-line with the leather seats. The boot is concerned, it's got a massive boot. Check that out for a boot. I mean, I can get in there no problem. That is a massive boot. Best of both worlds. You get the looks, performance, everything, and you got a big boot for practicality as well. The way it looks, I think it looks fantastic. Brilliant aesthetics, the exterior, the interior, can't fault it. For all the functions and everything, go on Mr. Google, he'll sort you out. But I'm just going to review the car as it drives, the way it looks, my opinion. Right, let's see how it drives. Let's go. They make such a nice car, Audi, right? And then they go fit it with a canal boat engine. It's just not on. Straight off the bat, it drives really good. I cannot fault the drive, the comfort and everything. I've got it in individual mode. I'm going to put it in comfort mode. It drives the bumps and everything, sleeping police fans, everything. Absolutely fantastic. You cannot fault it. See, I'm on the local road at the moment, and on the local road, it will do what any other car does, right? On the motorway, it will do what any other car does. But I mean, what is the appeal of this car? You know, it's basically all eyes on me. Yeah, looks wise, it's got the looks, right? Drive wise, it drives normal. Basically, it just drives. Basically, this car looks wise, it's saying look at me, all eyes on me. Yeah, but drive wise, if you drive a normal Audi A4 S-line, it will drive exactly the same, right? So I'm on the motorway now. Let's give it a bit of oomph. Let's see what's it about. Let's open the taps a little bit. Let's stretch your legs. I have to say, the performance, even though it's a diesel, it's there. I don't know how they've done that. If you wouldn't know you're driving a diesel. The noise in here sounds like petrol. The performance, I have to say, I'm going to slow it down a little bit. Put my foot down. Fantastic, performance is there, all good. This one is in automatic mode, and big cars like this, you don't want to go thrashing them. You know, it's a GT car, isn't it? So you put it in D, you drive nice and steady, and you know that's what it's all about on these cars. If you want like a go-kart or like a get up and go car, then you need to buy I would say the A4 S-Line or the A5 S-Line. We'll come back to that point. Right, bad points on this car. We're gonna go for a petrol one. I don't know how it's on the newer ones. This is the 18 plate. On the older ones, like the 12, 13, 14 plate, A5, similar engine, everything. Right, the petrol ones, they burn the piston rings out. Okay. They burn the piston rings out, and you got big trouble. Okay, so bear that in mind. On the diesel one, I don't know about the diesel ones, but on the old petrol ones, they burn the piston rings out. So be careful when you're buying that. Audi, they built such a nice car, fantastic looking car, inside, outside, all beautiful. Engine wise, decent engine as well. Hardly go wrong, but when they do go wrong, big money. Alright, but the thing is, with everything, optional extras, okay, but on this car, you don't get a dipstick. Like, I've got a problem with this. Most cars come with a dipstick, yeah, nowadays. Every car, you should have a dipstick on it. This car, you buy it brand new, I don't know how much it costs. I think they're ranging from 48,000 onwards to about 100,000. Okay, so you spending minimum about 50 grand on a car. Okay, you expect to have a dipstick. It's £35 optional extra. Audi, sort yourself out. Come to the stage where I say is, would one buy one? Yes, I would. I love this car, the way it drives, the way it steers, accelerates, everything. Absolutely, the interior, all your functions, everything, absolutely fantastic. I love it. But the thing is, would one buy one? It's got one little problem. I would say one problem, and which is the new Audi A5. Okay, the new Audi A5 Sportback. The problem is, it looks exactly like the A7. Slightly smaller, but I mean, you cannot tell the difference. I would say the A5 looks a little bit better actually. Right, the new one, the 19 plate onwards. Right, it looks better. Plus, it's about 20 grand cheaper. 15 to 20 grand cheaper. So you're getting the same car, same everything, but about 15 grand cheaper. So would one buy one? You're just gonna buy it because to say, hey, I'm the top dog. I've got an A7, you know. But strictly speaking, it's the same car. The A5, the new A5, and the A7, it's the same car. Looks wise, aesthetic wise, exterior, interior, pretty much the same. I hope you guys enjoyed my little brief review of the Audi A7. Fantastic car. If you've got about 70 grand, 50 to 70 grand on the side, buy one. You won't go wrong. Absolutely bulletproof. I love the way. I mean, I love this car. Yeah. Anyway, guys, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Car review, R4UL TV. Boom. Let's go.